Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here a comparison review of the C8 Max, Call Me C8 Max smartwatch, and the popular AOLON watch Foom Lite Smartwatch. So these two smartwatches look sporty and of course loaded with different features such as Bluetooth call, sports, and health monitoring functions. On this video, we are going to compare the design as well as the offered features in each smartwatch. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two wearables, especially on the features, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's begin and explore the Watch Foom Lite Smartwatch. And the other one, our Call Me C8 Max smartwatch. Both wearable do have an affordable price and a simple yet sporty design. Okay, so let's go first with the weight of the wearable. So let's go first with the weight. So which is much lighter. This is our Call Me C8 Max. It's around 45, 46. We have here the Watch Foom Lite with a plastic body frame. We do have 40. Okay, so 6 grams or 6 grams less compared to our C8 Max smartwatch. For the specs, we have here the display data. 1.93 inch for our Call Me C8 Max, 1.83 inch for our Watch Foom Lite. So this one, we have a much wider screen display compared to the Foom Lite smartwatch. And when it comes to the design, especially the material, our C8 Max here do have a metal body frame, plastic back cover, wireless charging. For our Watch Foom Lite, it's all plastic. Okay, plastic body frame with a pogo pin magnetic charging. Both do have a quick release pin, almost the same thickness I think. Due to the black back cover here, seems like the C8 Max smartwatch looks slim, but in fact I think it is just the same thickness. Okay, as you can see here, so the same thickness here. Okay, for the buttons, we do have a ground button for our C8 Max with rotary function. For our Watch Foom Lite, let's see, it is just a power on and off button. So which is better in terms of design? Obviously, we do have here the C8 Max smartwatch. But if you want a simple yet sporty looking smartwatch, the AOLON Watch Foom Lite is okay. For the size, they almost have the same size here. Side by side. At the back, on the left side, we have here the speaker hole. Okay, they almost have the same thickness, I think. Okay, so again, this is the C8 Max and this is the AOLON Watch Foom Lite. Let's have a closer look at these two smartwatches. Beautiful screen display, I think. The brightness is okay. They have beautiful body frame. Okay, so let's proceed to the UI and the features of the AOLON Foom Lite and the C8 Max, Call Me C8 Max smartwatch. Okay, so let's check out the UI and the features, the offered features. On top here, we have the different settings or options to personalize and set up your smartwatch. I think the AOLON here do have a much better design. Okay, I like this one. This one, it is a classic. Okay, the same with other smartwatches. Go back. Okay, on the other side, we have the split screen. We have the notifications for the Call Me. On the bottom part, we have the menus. So this one, we have the somewhat like a Windows type, okay, all-in-one section for its common functions. Okay, on the right side, we have the different cards, the same with our AOLON. So this is the features here in the Foom Lite. These are the features in our C8 Max. Go back. For the menus and features, let's change first to the list style so can compare it properly. Okay, so we do have the activity monitoring. Okay, so different approach here, but I like the layout here of our C8 Max. We have messages, we have the heart rate, the phone call, weather report, brightness display, exercise, blood pressure. We do have the settings. Let's see for the heart rate, the UI of the heart rate. I'm pretty sure you are also interested to see health, heart rate. So this is the layout here. So which is better? I think it's AOLON. I like the graph here compared to our C8 Max. We have the exercise, that is the sports for our or activity for our AOLON exercise. So which has a much better sports function. Okay, so it limited only to few sports functions for the Foom Lite, while for our C8 Max, it is pretty loaded with different sports functions. Go back. What else do we have here? We have the stress monitoring. Do we have it here? I don't see any stress monitoring. We have the weather, flashlight, the same features, music control. We also have here the calculator. We have the calendar. Do we have a calendar here? I don't see any calendar. But we do have the world clock. We have the calculator. We have a calculator. We have the flashlight. Yes, we have a calculator. We have a calendar. We don't have a calendar on our C8 Max. We have music, menu style, settings. So both do have some good features that is not available in other smartwatches. So it's up to you if what do you need, if what are the features that you would like to have in a smartwatch. Okay, but for if you are a sports fan, I think the C8 Max will suit you better. It is pretty loaded with different sports function. But overall, I think the C8 Max do have a much better feature offering. It's more loaded with different and useful feature compared to our AOLON Foom Lite. Okay, go back. Again, let's have a quick look at the different menus and features. Activity tracking. Okay, so check it now. If you are planning to get one, check out the different features and functionalities offered here on our Foom Lite, as well as our C8 Max smartwatch. So more features offered here in our C8 Max smartwatch. So that's it for our comparison review of the C8 Max smartwatch compared with the AOLON Foom Lite Smartwatch. Okay, so if you are interested to get one, check out the links below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!